Hey everybody, here is the final of the AMT James Bond Diamonds Are Forever police car. This is one of the ones where he gets into that police chase right after he was looking into the research lab of the guys, and the fake Willard White called the cops on him. And they thought he was a saboteur. They didn't know he was a secret agent working with the U.S. government. But this was in the police chase of that 71 Mustang Mach 1. And all these guys got into the crash in that parking lot where he ended up getting away. So I'm going to call this one done. This was a really fun kit. The hardest part is actually probably your masking and getting that two-color tone right. All the rest is a breeze. So the detail is all in the painting. The model kit is very good. I was actually quite impressed. I figured this one would have been, pretty wore out. But either they rebuild the tool or did a lot of maintenance to it. They have it doing so well. So a lot of things fit perfectly, which is great. Like I said, a lot of the details are correct and accurate, so that's pretty cool. License plates actually match the movie. The numbers actually match. The decals here match, and also the numbers on the top match. So I don't know if the color is actually 100% accurate. I went with the closest color I had. This was a Rust-Oleum 2X color. I think it looks pretty darn sharp, even if it don't match. So on the back, you can see I made the antenna. It comes with one, but it's it's got to be thick because it's styrene. That one is actually wire. The base is actually the base for the actual light or the antenna. I cut that off and drilled a little hole in there, and then I glued it on. And if you notice, I dipped the tip of that wire in some black paint to give it a little bit of an end to it. The top lights and all that, I stripped all the chrome so that way I can glue it better together. Now there is adjustment on the two clips here, so you kind of want to glue it and make sure your roof's there to adjust it, because you want it to clip on there and not be sloppy. So you want it to be center as well, so you gotta make sure they're both the same. I didn't finish the engine. I got all the parts in the engine, but I did not do a lot of detail to it. And that being because this is not really a kit that you'd be looking at inside, but I added some nice detail to it. No wires. But I did do the firewall, as you can see. I did all that blue. Got the fender wells and all that flat black. Same with the front wall. Firewall's black. I probably do some washes. Once I get my washes out to do other builds that are done, I'll do some washes on that. But there's the bottom. Same with the engine. I didn't get my washes out yet, so I haven't washed the engine, but that takes just 2 seconds, and then you have to let it dry. So probably when I do a different build, I'll probably do multiple ones at the same time. The interior hasn't changed. I think the last video I showed the interior. Now that it's actually in the body, it'd probably be almost impossible to show it. I did try to get some pictures of the interior. With all the radios and the radio mics down there. Got the shotgun in there. I did acrylic paint on the interior. Something new I was trying to do. Trying to get all them different colors, that way I can just mix them and everything right there on the spot. The radio and all that was all chrome pieces. I stripped the chrome to glue it together. It's a nice heavy kit. And it feels nice and rigid since it has that 4 screws holding it together. And usually those are the chintzy kits, but this kit it works well with because it holds your grills, your grill and your rear bumper and all that on. It holds those on real well. It makes a nice strong kit. Now you ain't gonna be playing in the sand pile with it or anything like that, but you know, you don't want them falling apart, sitting there over time, and then the axles and all that warp and they start looking like crap sitting there. So I think this one will actually hold up to the test of time. But that is that. Very fun kit if you guys are fans of James Bond, or if you have a police build. This one's been done so many different ways. It's a cool police car. Give it a shot. So till next time, guys, I'll talk to you then. Bye.